Hey, what's up, everybody? So, one of the things that we focus on at WIT a lot is the importance of culture, right? Our people are the ones that are serving our clients, and so it's our responsibility as business owners to serve them. One of the things that I have in my office is a wall with all of our employees on it, and then there's little white edges around it, and I write what their goals are. Because we found that if we're helping our team accomplish the goals that they want in life, whether it's personal or professional, they're much happier at work. They're happy at work, they do a better job, they're willing to learn, all of those types of things. And so just make sure you're paying really close attention to your culture. It can't be an accidental thing. It takes a lot of time and energy to make a really good culture. And so make sure that you're paying attention to what is important to the individual, and take time to actually call each employee. Between me and Andrew, we do one-on-ones with every one of our employees pretty frequently to make sure that we're keeping in touch with them. What do they love? What are they happy about? What's exciting in life? What are they struggling with? Anything like that, we really want to know. So make sure you're paying really close attention to your team.